Hey everyone, welcome back to New Tech Pro channel. In today's video, we're going to tackle an important topic for any audio enthusiast. How to change impedance of speakers by connecting them in series and parallel. This is crucial to ensure your speakers match your amplifier's impedance for optimal performance. Before we dive in, let's quickly understand what impedance is. Impedance is a resistance a speaker offers to the electrical signal from the amplifier. As you can see, a speaker impedance is measured in ohms. Matching the impedance of your speakers to your amplifier is essential to prevent damage and achieve the best sound quality. First, let's look at connecting a speaker in series. When you connect a speaker in series, you're essentially adding their impedances together. Here's how do you it. For example, these speakers, you can see impedances is 16. Here you can see 16, and measuring impedances, I try selector multimeter here and measuring impedances. As you can see, this speakers is 16, and for other example, these speakers impedances is 3. Impedances is 3. Okay, my friends, for series connections, you need connect the positive terminal of the amplifier, positive, you can see red wire of the terminal to positive terminal of the first speaker, positive speaker. For example, I connect the positive wires to positive first speakers. To connect the negative terminal of the first speaker to positive terminal of the second speaker. Now finally connect the negative terminal. Here you can see negative terminal amplifiers, black wire to the negative terminal second speaker. Okay, my friends, as you can see, this is a series connecting. You can see positive to negative and negative second speaker to negative output amplifier, and positive first speaker to positive terminal amplifier. Okay, let's go to measuring impedance, my friend. I try measuring impedance. As you can see here, impedance is 33 for series connection. If without series connections, my speaker impedance is 60 60. That's good. Okay, my friends, for other example, I try these speakers. These speakers is 4 ohm, and try to connect the series positive terminal to negative terminal second speaker. Firstly, I try measuring impedance. As you can see, 4 ohm impedance, and here you can see 4 ohm. That's good. Now connect the series positive terminal to negative second speaker terminal and measuring impedance. You can see here 8 impedance. Okay, my friend, let's move on to connecting speakers in parallel. This method is a bit different. To connect speakers in parallel, first connect the positive terminals of both speakers to the positive terminal of the amplifier. I try connect the positive terminal by these wires. That's good. You can see here I connecting positive to positive both speaker, and now I try connect the negative by this wire, black wire, negative terminals of speaker number 1 to negative terminals speaker number 2. Now connect speaker in parallel. Now I try measuring. You can parallel connect to amplifier terminal, black for negative and red for positive. Now measuring impedance. As you can see, impedance 2 ohm, 2.6 ohm, because my speaker not 4 exactly. As you can see, 5 ohm or 4.5 ohm. For other example, quickly, I try 16 speaker ohm. As you can see, again measuring 16.5 or 4. I try parallel positive to positive terminal speaker to positive, and now negative terminal to negative. Now try measuring. As you can see here, measuring 16.5 ohm, change it to 9 ohm or 8.9. The interaction between an amplifier output impedance and a speaker impedance is crucial for sound quality and power transfer. Here's what happens in each scenario. For example, 2 ohm speaker with the 4 to 8 ohm amplifier. Result not recommended. Effect: the amplifier will be stressed, potentially overheating or damage it. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe New Tech Pro channel for more audio tips and tutorials. Please leave a comment below if you have any question or if there is a specific topic you'd like us to cover next. Happy listening. Thank you very much and goodbye.